Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making Copycat Chick-fil-A Sandwich, my version. Alright, this is my favorite fast food place whenever I feel like eating fast food. So these are the ingredients and they will be listed in the description box along with the measurements. Alright, so I've added to my pickle juice some water and some granulated sugar. Give that a good stir. I will set that aside. Now we'll slice 2 chicken breasts in half, or you can do the entire chicken breast. That is up to you. So I'm now going to give it a slight pound just to tenderize it a little bit because it's still really thick. Guys, Chick-fil-A is definitely my favorite place to go when I feel like eating fast food. So I'm individually brining these chicken breasts. So the individual bag, I'm placing some of the brine and the chicken breast. Seal it tightly, and this will be placed in the refrigerator for about an hour. So it's about that time. So now it's time for us to make the dredging with our flour and the rest of our dry ingredients. Alright, so add all-purpose flour, some powdered sugar, some baking powder, some cayenne pepper, some chili powder, some smoked paprika, some salt, and we go in and whisk this together until everything is nice and combined. Alright, the flour is looking good. Now for our egg wash mixture, I'm adding just a little bit of milk, like 1 cup of milk and 1 egg. Now go in and whisk this together. Now to make my version of the Chick-fil-A sauce. This is super fun. I had with my son making this. So to a bowl, I will be adding some Ken's honey mustard, my favorite. Then I'm adding some yellow mustard, then some mayo or mayonnaise. Then I'm going in with some sweet barbecue sauce, some garlic powder, and some cayenne pepper and some smoked paprika. Now I'm adding some lemon juice, and we will whisk this together until everything has combined nice and smooth. Again guys, the list of the ingredients will be in the description box. So now it's time for us to fry our chicken. So we'll take the chicken out from the brine, shake that juice off, and place it into the egg wash. And then we will flour this breast. Guys, this will be done twice or thrice, depends on if you like thicker breading. Make sure to press the flour good into the breast. Shake the excess off, and we place it right back into the egg wash again. And we will do this for the rest of our chicken breast. You can take it out and place it into the flour and then into the egg wash 2 times or 3 times. Alright, that is up to you. Make sure to coat that breast evenly and then place it on a baking rack. So to my 300 degrees oil, I'll be adding the breast. Make sure to regulate your heat, guys. Allow that to get nice and golden brown and crispy. Oh wow, look at that, guys. So now to my bun, I'll be adding some of that amazing delicious sauce. I'm adding a piece of lettuce, some tomatoes and pickles, and I'm adding my delicious chicken breast with the melted cheese. I did add the cheese as soon as it came out of the fryer. It is nice and melted. Guys, my son is about to have a feast, So if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the notification bell, also like, share, and comment. Thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. Do enjoy. Bye-bye.